In this video, you'll learn how to import text and markdown into Notion. This process allows you to bring in formatted content, making it easier to manage your notes and documents within the platform. By following these steps, you will be able to seamlessly transfer your text files into Notion. Begin by navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth experience during the import process. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage. If you need to sign in, enter your credentials to access your Notion workspace. Next, locate and click on the page where you want to import your text or markdown files. You can find your pages listed in the sidebar on the left. Select the appropriate page by clicking on its name, and it will open in the main workspace area. This is where your imported content will be added. After that, look for the three dots icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. This menu provides various options related to the page you are currently viewing. Once the menu appears, find and click on the Import option. This action will prompt a new dialog box to open, allowing you to proceed with the import process. It is essential to ensure that the import option is selected correctly to access the necessary features for file uploads. Following this, you will see an option labeled Import or Migrate. Click on this to move forward. At this stage, Notion will present you with several choices for importing data from different sources. Next, select the option that says Import data from other apps and files into Notion. This will lead you to a new screen with additional importing options. Be patient as the system loads this information. Click on Import your content to continue. This step will navigate you further into the import menu where you can choose the specific file types you wish to bring into Notion. After that, click on Import your content to Notion. This action will provide you with options for file-based imports. Ensure your files are in a supported format to avoid any errors during the process. Next, select file-based imports to specify the type of file you want to import. This will lead you to options that include various file formats compatible with Notion. Now, click on Import docx, CSV, PDF, text, Markdown, HTML, or EPUB file to convert to pages. This selection is crucial as it defines the types of files you will be able to. After that, select Text and Markdown from the list. This option is specifically designed for importing text and markdown files, ensuring that your formatting remains intact. Then click on Import Plain Text and Formatted Notes. This will allow you to upload files that contain plain text or formatted notes into your Notion workspace. Next, click on Import Text and Markdown. This action will prepare the system to accept the markdown files you wish to import. Following this, select Bring Your Markdown file into Notion. We'll keep your headings, code blocks, and formatting intact. This ensures that all your markdown formatting is preserved during the import. Then click on Import Text or Markdown into Notion. This finalizes your selection for the type of content you are about to upload. Now click on Choose File. This prompt will open a file selection dialog, allowing you to navigate to the location of your markdown or text files. After that, select the file you want to import. Ensure that the file size is manageable. Larger files may take longer to upload, depending on your internet speed. Next, click on Open to confirm your file selection. This action will return you to the import dialog with your chosen file, ready for upload. Following this, click on Continue. This step initiates the import process, and you may see a loading indicator while your file is being processed. Once the import is in progress, you will see a message indicating that the import is taking place. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the file and your internet connection. After the import is complete, a confirmation message will appear stating your file import was successful. This confirms that your content has been added to Notion without issues. Finally, click on Go to Import to view the imported content within your selected Notion page. You should now see your text and markdown files integrated into your workspace. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.